Dear future travel agents, if you stay comfortable, you'll never grow. Step out of your comfort zone. Take the bull by the horns and maneuver your business. Don't be afraid of failure, but don't wallow in it either. Your insecurities can either be your superpower or your worst enemy. Stay focused and book that travel. Hi there, Vosquash Ventures. I'm gonna take you along the tour of my first ever travel agent retreat and room tour. I didn't get to film much because I was nervous, and it was my first time meeting a lot of persons that I've been booking travel alongside for like a minute. So, you know, I was trying to be more present, and I was also terrified of filming in public. And you know, I'm working on it, but here is my face. And I'm feeling a bit awkward because my hairstyle flopped because I had no idea how humid it would get, but we doing our thing. We head into the room to go and film the tour so that you can see what Bahia Principe grand rooms look like. He enjoyed football and he's back. Whether you are booking the room for the day due to being on a day pass and not staying overnight, or you will be checking in for a long haul or a short-term stay, you will always have someone assist you to get into your room and give you instructions on how the key card works so that you don't get locked up in your room, or you don't get scared, or you don't feel, you know, intimidated by the system. Guys, mic check 1 2. We're live at Bahia Principe Grand. Come along the tour, shall we? This is one of these standard garden view suites, so you won't be able to see the pool unless you book a pool view. You won't be able to see the beach unless you book ocean view. And then there are other suites going up the level. We can get more into that in another video, but this is the view that we're working with, so it's not really bad for the ground floor. Let us get in now for the official room tour, because, oh yeah, by the way, do not ever leave your door open, please. For the life of you, if you're leaving your hotel room, remember to close your hotel door. Thank you. Close the sliding door, because anybody can hop over that balcony seeing that you're on the ground floor and hop into your room. Now look at this. Yeah, look at this. That's one of my business partner's relative. I hopped in the bed and it was cozy. I didn't want to get up, but you know, I had to go swim and other stuff, so naturally I would. But this is what you get in your room. You've got a nice little TV there. You've got a nice little vanity area for you to put on your makeup, get your hair done, and all of that jazz. You've got different seating arrangements. You cannot complain about not having anywhere to sit or sleep. If you're one of them sitting sleepers or one of those that want to try out the sofa, no problem. Hit the hay. Do whatever you want. It's your vacation, your room, your choice. There's a long list of things that you will never be able to complain about with Bahia. Lighting, storage, and obvious placement of things that you're going to be needing in your room is what they got. You got space everywhere to store all your stuff if you want to, you know, live in your room. Because I know that there's some people who, when they go to hotels or when they're on vacation, they want to, you know, unpack a little, line everything out as though they were at home. So you've got, you know, drawers to do that in. You've got a closet in which you can put stuff too. You've got a phone that you can call for assistance with anything else, and you've got a manual in the room. If you love a good hotel bathroom, say hey-oh, hey-oh. I don't know about you, but I love taking bathroom mirror selfies. There's something about a bathroom mirror selfie. So I love a good looking bathroom. I'm a sucker for a good looking bathroom design. And I love Bahia's bathroom design. You got your facial soap. I don't usually use their stuff. I usually take my own stuff because my skin is sensitive, but you know it's there for you if you come and you forgot your stuff. Bahia's got you, okay? Take note that you've got a hair dryer. Every luxury bathroom should have a good hair dryer in it. And there's also a phone in the bathroom that's just in case something happens to you and you're in the bathroom and you need assistance, okay? And you got mirror on the wall. If you need a travel agent, you should call 876-879-5395. Yeah, that's Vosquash Golden Ventures number in case you're coming to Jamaica and you need to book a trip to Bahia. I got you, okay? And I'm going to be leaving our email address, website information, and other details in the description below. So what you just saw is your little jacuzzi tub, and over here is the stand-in shower, so you can do your hydrotherapy. You can, you know, do a warm bath over in the jacuzzi, and then you can go ahead and run over real quick, don't drop though, and turn on the cold shower. Like, it's good for your lymphatic system. Or at least that's what I think, so that's why I do what I do. But yeah, this is your stand-in shower. It's not really spacious for my liking, but it gets the job done. And you've got shampoo, body wash, you've got conditioner. There are so many towels in here, and you can always call and get some more. I think I forgot to show you guys inside of the fridge. Next time around I will. Let's go outside now. I think you can tell by the sound and the sight that this is their sports bar and lounge, and there was a match going on between Argentina and I think France or Spain. I don't remember which one. All I know is that Argentina won and everybody was going crazy and excited about this. So if you're looking for a hotel that has your teams and your hobbies and different interests in mind, Bahia is your place. We're back showing you the lobby because I don't think we had gotten like a good view of it to show you. So through these doors you will have the registration area for you to get your wristbands for day pass personnel, as well as an entry point to the sports bar that I showed you earlier. Over here is the front desk. You run to them for anything and they will direct you to the relevant places. So look at this view, look at this roof. This has been the end of my tour. Oh my gosh, what's happening with my voice right now? Oh my gosh, this has been the end of our tour for today. I've showed you the perspective of a travel agent, and next time around when we come to Bahia again, I will be showing you from the perspective of a tourist. We look forward to taking you on a golden adventure across the globe. Bye for now. Vosquash signing out.